Hello everyone, welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this socket bearing with the help of its drawing. So let's start with its drawing. See, this is the drawing. Note all the dimensions are in millimeter. We will start by making its base. See, in the base there are three circles. The circle has a diameter of 9 mm and the outer circle has a radius of 14 mm. So let's start by making this. Go to Solidworks and open a new part file. Click OK. Select here top plane and sketch. Now go to circle and draw one circle. Escape. Select this point. Press the Control key and select the origin and make relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to line command and draw one vertical line. Escape. Select this line and make construction geometry. Now draw two more circles. Escape. Now select the circle, press the Control key and select these two circles. And make relation equal. Click OK. Now select this point, press the Control key and select this point and also this vertical line and make relation symmetric. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. This circle has a diameter of 9 mm. Click OK. Now draw three more circles from the center of each circle. Escape. Now select the outer circles and make relation equal. Click OK. Now go to line command and draw tangent lines. Escape. Again go to line command. Up to the end. Now see, this is tangent relation here as well, and here we will make the tangent relation. So select this line, press the Control key and select this circle and make relation tangent. Click OK. See, it is also tangent. And now select this circle, press the Control key and select this line and make relation tangent. Here as well. Now click OK. Now go to trim entities and trim these inner lines. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. See from drawing, this vertical distance is 62 mm and see the total horizontal distance is 76 mm, which means from the center line to the center of one circle is 38 mm. So go to SolidWorks. The vertical distance is 62 mm. And also the horizontal distance from the center line is 38 mm. Now Click OK. Also, this arc is radius 14 mm. Click OK. See, this is equal relation. So here it is also 14 mm and it is also 14 mm. Now go to features, select here extruded boss base and extrude up to C 10 mm. Choose here blind and type 10 mm and click OK. Now go to drawing. Now we will make this surface. See, there are two circles. The outer circle is dia 33 mm and inner circle is dia 16 mm and the depth is 54 mm of the inner circle. And see, from this center line to the outermost circle is 24 mm and we will extrude up to see 70 minus 22 which is equal to 48 mm. So let's make this. Go to Solidworks, select this face and sketch. Now draw a circle. Now go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 33 mm. Click OK. Now select this point, press the Control key and select the origin and make relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. See, this is tangent relation and now select this line, press the Control key and select this circle and also make this relation tangent. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension and from this point to the bottom line is 24 mm. Now go to Trim Entities and trim this inner line. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Base, reverse the direction, choose here Blind and type here 70 minus 22 which will be equal to 48 mm and click OK. See, now go to drawing. Now see, we have made this surface from this point to this point. Now we will make this surface. See, there is a circle which has a diameter of 33 mm and we will use extruded boss base to extrude up to 22 mm. So go to Solidworks, select this face and sketch. Now select your circle, put the cursor on this point and you will see this center point. Draw one circle, click OK. Now select this circle, press the Control key and select this outer circle and make relation co-radial. Now this circle has the same diameter of the previous circle. Now click OK. Go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Base and we will extrude up to 22 mm. Click OK. See, now go to drawing. Now we will make this inner circle. See, diameter is 16 and the depth is 54 mm. Select this face and sketch. Select a circle, put the cursor on this point and draw one circle. Go to Smart Dimension, diameter is 16 mm. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Cut, select here Blind and type here 54 mm. Click OK. See, now go to Drawing. See, the fillet radius is 2 mm. So fillet each corner. Now select here Fillet, type here 2 mm and select and click OK. Delete this H7 and click OK. Control 7. Now see, our part is complete. You can also assign some material. So go to Appearances, select here Metal, Steel. You can choose Polished Steel, Brushed Steel. I am choosing Brushed Steel. See, our part is now fully completed. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.